A new video model just dropped, and the way it is high quality and so detailed, expressive, it shocked me. In this video, I'll walk you through each step, how you can use this model and how you can prompt it for better output. And I'll also show you different examples with the text to video, image to video. We'll also compare it with the latest other video models too. So yeah, if you're someone who's looking for a video generation AI model that is so high quality HDR stuff, this video is all you need. I'm Aditya and you're watching SkillCurb. So let's talk about first what is Ray 3. So Ray 3 is a very interesting video reasoning model that helps you to visualize and understand the intent much better. So yeah, if you're bad at prompt, this will understand your prompt even better. So let's talk about some of the qualities that this model has. So this model has this visual drawing stuff. So yeah, if you want to draw something on the screen, it will start visualizing that thing. So yeah, look at these cow. We just say drop this arrow with the green one and see. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Just look at this cat video, for example. We just draw it at the arrow and suddenly cat started moving on those stones. This has also a very good reasoning chain of thought situation. So yeah, if you're someone bad at prompt, it will start reasoning, asking chain of thought questions while generating the video. So yeah, Ray 3 is pretty good at here too. Now let's talk about something else, which is fidelity, physics, and adherence is top notch on this model, like really top notch. This also has some HDR functions. So you can see right now on the screen, we have a turtle, which is left side on the underexposure, HDR raw and HDR high exposure. It's totally up to your judgment, what you like. But what I'm telling you, this has so many features. And also this we have SDR to generative HDR. If your video has SDR, it will generate HDR quality video just on the one click. Now let's talk about the actual use cases. Dreammachine.lumalabs.ai, and here you can see click on the boards and simple. Okay, this looks weird. We have just three options like boards, ideas, and editors. We'll have to go to the boards, and now you can see a very clean interface, which is very similar to ChatGPT and all. Now let's explore this a little bit. On the left side, you can see this image icon. Here you can upload the image, which we will talk about later. On the right side, you can see the suggestion prompt. We won't use this. And on the very right side, just below the arrow button, we can see the Ray 3 model. Once you click here, you can select your video ratio, wanna be a reel or wanna be like a landscape video, totally up to you. Now this is just it. Now we have to main focus on the prompting thing, because this is where it shines really well. Okay, for example, I just say make a visual of a close-up photo of a California poppies in a pastel lighting. If someone doesn't know, it's just a flower, okay? So it's just flowing in the air, and look at the video it generated. It is so cool. And you can even see the description just below the prompts. It says, oh, I captured the delicate beauty of California poppies in soft pastel lighting using the close-up of a ceremony. And this is what I'm talking about. It actually has a chain of thought, which makes the video much better and much more thoughtful. Okay, now see more examples since we will not stop here. So I also prompted this. You can see right now on your screen a man with a goldfish and fish bowl with a head riding a shark like a motorcycle, and you can see another shark like motorcycle the guy is riding on the streets like a cyberpunk sci-fi stuff. And we just say Tokyo LA at night, and look at this is seriously one of the most high quality videos I can see. It also has download EXR options for better editing purposes. Okay, let's see some other examples too, because we have so many. Okay, so we have a skeleton zombie pirates walking through the jungle at night holding lanterns, and look at the video. It is seriously looking like that Johnny Depp kind of movie. Exactly, I don't know, Pirates of Caribbean or whatever, but look at the details that are in this model. This model certainly don't have sound, which is a very I don't know, very old thing, but overall the visual is so detailed and so colorful. Like the perfect saturation I get here, I have never got somewhere else. Okay, Not only this, we just prompted also this, you can see on the screen, a man playing video game. I just prompted this, like not any detailed prompt, I just copied a man playing video game, and look at the video we got. It is seriously so detailed, like the way man is playing his video game, the perfect furniture, the perfect room is seriously interesting. But one thing I can see, the hand movement on the controller is also very accurate, which is very noticeable. But the thing again, the screen is pretty flip side on the wrong side, which makes it unrealistic anyways. But okay, let's forget that thing. Okay, now let's see more text to video examples, because we are now focusing on the text to video one. So we have this man building the cockpit of a spaceship open in the desert at night. So look at this astronaut, I don't know, repairing some kind of spaceship. The video quality is still very nice. Look at the galaxies behind it. It's actually moving whenever the camera is moving. That is so good. Okay, let's talk about some more text to video examples, because they are seriously worth talking about. Okay, so we have this very, very, very hard prompt actually to create. So two people in the eye of tornado, one is being sucked up in the tornado, and you can read it, these two female and male are fighting from the tornado. And look at the movement of the female one, her hair actually flowing, the way the physics, the cloth physics, the physics movement is almost very, very accurate in this ray 3 model. Not only this, if you are still not very sure about this model, I gave a prompt which is one of the scary prompt, by the way, a super slow-mo macro, an amorphic bokeh of a water bundle. So as I just prompted basically a guy in the water with a bokeh effect, having a light, flashy lights, and look at the video, this is so good. And when I said bokeh, it actually gets blurred, so this is what I'm actually talking about. This video model has a very good prompt adherence. Not only this, I also give it a very interesting prompt to see what kind of expressive this model is. I said a close-up shot of a video of a sorrowful woman. The woman is actually crying, and look at the way her tear is moving and the way, okay, you have to understand this model is seriously good at expression, emotions, which is pretty rare actually in these models. If you take VO3, VO3 also has this kind of emotion, but again, the Ray 3 has some higher quality stuff here. Okay, so now we have covered the text to video enough. Let's talk about the photo to video, because this is also seriously worth talking about. Okay, so we just simply go to the photo, the video, and we just say same thing. We just uploaded the photo, like the option I say in the interface. We just click on the left side and click the photo. We just download a photo of a very weird animal, if it's cow or not, on trampoline. And what I did is very simple. I said she dancing, just to see if it works on the short prompt too. And it really started thinking, and look at the way we got a description. I brought a dancing moves to life to a trampoline, emphasizing in rhythmic movement and interaction at the backyard setting to create a lively and engaging video from your start frame. Gosh, this model is actually thinking, even if you're uploading image, by the way. So this is seriously interesting. Okay, I don't know what is this animal called, but the video generation is interesting. So it's a 5-second video. That's totally understandable, and honestly, I loved it. But wait, not one photo, right? We need more photos to test. Okay, so we'll simply go to the more photos. So I give this jellyfish photo, you can see right now on the screen. On the right side, you can see the video right now. So it translated the video in a very interesting manner. Look at this jellyfish. I don't know if it's jellyfish, the way she's moving, the way she's translucent and is actually blurring the background jellyfishes is seriously some high quality DSLR level stuff. Okay, let's see this another image of this weird fish I just uploaded, and look at the image we got. Okay, I generally love the way the water physics of this model. It's beyond understanding of mine. Okay, I don't know what they are using in the behind, what are the data sets there, but it's seriously one of the impressive model I've ever used, since I've already taught you guys a lot of models. Okay, we have this image of this crystal, and I just uploaded it without any prompt, and look at this way these crystals are moving. It almost looking like a galaxies actually moving towards us. And honestly, I'm really liking the feature where the background is getting blurred and only the focus on the main object, which makes me tell that this model has some good camera abilities. Not only this, you can also see some of the examples I uploaded and on a screen, where this monkey one, the monkey one is also good, has a very shiny eye, very emotional stuff. I can see the The way these models are actually expressing human emotions, it's beyond understanding. Where you can see this lady dancing too on the screen. I just uploaded this pic, which itself is very interesting. I just also show you one of the best examples I've got. So now you have an idea and opinion on this Array 3 model. This model insanely good. I really love this model. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.